it's Holly and welcome to the Proper Pineapple. On today's video, we're gonna open up August's KnitCrate. I'm super excited for this because it kind of like came as a surprise. This one's been super busy for me, and so I kind of forgot all about KnitCrate. And then all of a sudden I went to my mailbox and boom, this adorable little teal box was there. You guys know that I am one of their like ambassadors, so I get this every month and I open it and review it for you guys. My shirt is like super linty today. I'm sorry about that, guys. Anyways, I have no idea what is in this box this month. I forgot all about looking at the previews. I forgot all about everything. I pretty much haven't done any research on this at all. So it's gonna be a surprise for me and for you. Now, as far as KnitCrate goes, they have a ton of different membership options. I get the membership box, which is 2 skeins of their in-house yarn every month. It could be fingering weight, it could be DK, worsted, chunky. I've gotten all of those. It can have cashmere. I've gotten alpaca. It's been amazing. I get the membership crate. There's a sock crate. There's a Malabrigo. Oh, they got so many. Now, if you are interested in KnitCrate and you do not get it, please think about using my link down below. It's right at the top of the description box. And my code, sorry, a little leaf fell in my box, Pineapple20 to get 20% off your first purchase. I love them. I love the surprise. And now they have it so that you can actually pick between 3 to see what you're getting if you don't like the surprise, which is great. I like the surprise. And then also there is a bunch of groups, especially on Ravelry, that if you don't like the color you got, just get on there and other people didn't like the color they got and you guys can trade, and it's great that way. So I really love it. I'm super excited and I can't wait to get this box open. So, okay, you guys see in the background, here's my little Bella right there. She's outside with me right now. It's so beautiful out, I decided to do this video outside instead of inside. So, just like always, all I did was cut the little tabby. I don't know what's in there. I'm gonna look to the side. Can you guys see what's in there? Did it focus for you? I hope it focused for you. Ooh, this is pretty. What is this? Okay. It is their Knitology yarn. It is worsted white and it's called Kestrel. 100% superwash merino wool. Worsted weight, 218 yards. It's so pretty. It's like a blue with a purple and a little bit of reddy brick color. Really interesting. And there are 2 skeins of it. That would make something really, really pretty. Oh, what's this? Are these little stickers? I think these are stickers. Little knitting stickers there. Let me open it up and see. We're taking a look. They usually throw in little trinketies. Yeah, these appear to be stickers, so they're just like a little ball of yarn and a little knitting needles. Those are so cute. Here is, you always get the inspiration booklet. This was the inspiration booklet. Sorry about that, guys, I had to sneeze. I just saw the inspiration for next month, and I'm excited for next month. But let's take a look at this month's. So, okay, on the front page here, you could have gotten, in the membership crate, there were 3 colors you could have gotten. And in the sock crate, there was 3. So if you see it, here we go. This one up here is the membership, and this one down here is this sock. Those are the colors you could have gotten. They always come with a crochet and a knitting pattern, so that's always fun. Let's see, the colors were Bohemian Waxwing. Oh, they were birds. The Kestrel, or Chill Out, which is the color I got, and the European Robin. So these guys here, guys. That's what they were all inspired by. So pretty. And the sock ones were 2. And it looks like leg warmers are the pattern. Or worsted weight socks? No. Okay. It looks like leg warmers up here. Or this shawl down here. Knitted crochet. So that's fun. I don't really do wet leg warmers, so, but I usually don't. I love this. This is so pretty, but I'm not sure that this is really in my color family of colors that go. So I don't know. Either I will end up looking at this so long that I fall in love with it, or these 2 skeins will end up in a giveaway. Probably end up in a giveaway because, you guys, I got a lot of yarn. I went through it yesterday and I got a lot of yarn. And I live in a camper now, so it's tight. So these are probably going to end up in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. But they are still really, really beautiful. They're so pretty. The purple and the blue go great, and the way they added that little bricky red in there, so creative. But okay, next month I'm excited, and I bet you can't guess which color I'm hoping for. This is the inspiration photo. Pretty much want this pink right here, or this tealy aqua, so, or these two down in the end. I want all these colors. So I'm kind of excited about the inspiration photo. Pretty much only two colors I'm not excited about is this red at the beginning and this browny taupey color. Those aren't me. Watch, that's what I'll get. But it's okay, because I'll either trade somebody or I'll put it in a giveaway. That's what we do here on The Proper Pineapple. I gotta get out of here because I gotta go spend time with my doggie. Right, Bella? Right, Bella? Right, Bella? There she's looking. Oh. And find my kids. I think they went to catch frogs. So, I gotta get out of here, y'all. Bye.